The ocean is a realm of mystery, a vast and largely unexplored world that covers more than 70% of our planet. Beneath the waves, life takes on forms and behaviors that challenge our imagination, and some creatures are so strange they seem almost alien to us. Among these extraordinary beings, none capture our fascination quite like the octopus. With 8 flexible arms lined with hundreds of sensitive suckers, 3 beating hearts, blue copper-based blood, and a nervous system unlike any other animal, the octopus is a living glimpse into a completely different kind of intelligence. Its body is soft and fluid, able to squeeze through impossibly small spaces, and its mind is just as adaptable. Once feared as sea monsters in ancient myths and legends, octopuses are now recognized as some of the ocean's most curious, playful, and remarkably smart inhabitants. They can solve puzzles, open jars, and even use tools, behaviors once thought to be unique to mammals and birds. Despite being soft-bodied mollusks, related to snails and clams, their intelligence rivals that of many mammals. They use their arms to explore, hunt, and interact with their environment in ways that reveal a surprising depth of awareness and adaptability. Octopuses inhabit every ocean on Earth, from the vibrant coral reefs of the tropics to the frigid, shadowy seafloors of the Antarctic. They have adapted to some of the planet's harshest and most diverse environments, mastering the art of survival wherever they go. In this journey, we'll uncover the secrets of their bodies and minds, exploring how they use camouflage to vanish in plain sight, how they escape from predators with astonishing agility, and how their intelligence helps them thrive in a world full of challenges. The story of the octopus is one of resilience, wonder, and endless adaptation. It reminds us that our planet is home to forms of life and minds far more amazing and mysterious than we ever imagined. Their existence challenges our understanding of intelligence and consciousness itself. So let's dive into the world of the octopus, an alien ambassador hiding just beneath the waves, waiting to reveal its secrets to those willing to look a little closer. The octopus's body is a marvel of evolution, soft, flexible, and almost boneless. Unlike most animals, it has no rigid skeleton to constrain its movements. This unique anatomy allows the octopus to flow like liquid through the tiniest cracks and crevices, making it a true escape artist of the sea. Its body can change shape and size in an instant, adapting to whatever the environment demands. At the core of its body is the mantle, a bulbous structure that houses all its vital organs, including the heart, digestive system, and reproductive organs. Extending from the mantle are 8 muscular arms, each lined with rows of sensitive suckers. These arms are not just for movement, they are the octopus's primary tools for interacting with the world, capable of incredible strength and delicate precision. The only hard part of the octopus is a sharp, parrot-like beak, hidden at the center where all the arms meet. This beak is essential for feeding, allowing the octopus to crack open shells and prey. Because the beak is so small, the octopus can squeeze its entire body through openings no bigger than the beak itself, slipping through spaces that seem impossibly tight. Inside, the octopus has 3 hearts that pump blue, copper-rich blood throughout its body. 2 of these hearts send blood to the gills, where oxygen is absorbed from the water, while the 3rd heart circulates blood to the rest of the body. This unique circulatory system helps the octopus survive in the low-oxygen environments of the deep sea. When the octopus swims, its main heart actually stops beating, making swimming a tiring activity. That's why octopuses prefer to crawl along the ocean floor, gliding effortlessly over rocks and sand with their flexible arms. This method of movement is not only energy efficient but also allows them to explore their surroundings up close. Perhaps most astonishing of all, 2/3 of the octopus's half-billion neurons are located in its arms, not its head. This means each arm can act almost independently, exploring, tasting, and touching the world without waiting for instructions from the brain. The arms can solve problems, open jars, and even coordinate with each other to capture prey or escape predators. The suckers on each arm are marvels in their own right. They don't just grip surfaces, they can taste and smell, detecting chemicals in the water and on objects. Each sucker is like a tiny sensory organ, processing information right in the arm, allowing the octopus to make split-second decisions as it explores its environment. This decentralized intelligence means the octopus doesn't just think with its brain, it thinks with its whole body. Each arm can operate on its own, yet all 8 work together in a seamless dance of movement and sensation, adapting instantly to new challenges. It's a radically different way of experiencing the world, one that blurs the line between body and mind. The octopus can change color and texture in a flash, blending perfectly with its surroundings, all controlled by a network of nerves spread throughout its skin and arms. The octopus is not just a creature, it's a living, thinking network, a true wonder of the ocean, whose extraordinary body challenges everything we think we know about intelligence and life itself. Octopuses move with a mesmerizing, fluid grace, gliding effortlessly across the ocean floor. Their 8 flexible arms ripple and undulate, allowing them to crawl, squeeze, and flow through the tiniest crevices. Each arm acts almost like an independent mind, exploring and adapting to the landscape as the octopus travels. This unique way of moving gives them an almost alien elegance, as if they are liquid creatures shaped by the sea itself. Sometimes, octopuses walk on just 2 arms, freeing the rest to mimic the swaying of seaweed or the rolling of a drifting coconut shell. This remarkable mimicry helps them blend seamlessly into their surroundings, confusing both predators and prey. Their ability to change color and texture in an instant adds another layer to their disguise, making them true masters of camouflage in the underwater world. When danger strikes, octopuses can switch from stealth to speed in a heartbeat. They use jet propulsion, sucking water into their mantle and blasting it out through a muscular siphon. This sudden burst sends them rocketing away, often leaving a cloud of ink or bubbles behind to distract would-be attackers. It's a dramatic escape, showcasing both their power and agility. Their eyes are among the most sophisticated in the animal kingdom. Shaped much like ours, octopus eyes can focus with remarkable clarity, scanning the shifting underwater world for movement and shape. Although they are likely colorblind, they compensate by detecting polarized light, an ability that reveals hidden prey and camouflage threats invisible to most other creatures. Deep inside their bodies, statocysts, tiny balance organs, help octopuses sense their orientation, even as currents swirl and tides shift. These internal gyroscopes keep them upright and aware, allowing them to navigate the ever-changing seascape with confidence. But perhaps their most vital sense is touch. Each of the hundreds of suckers lining their arms is packed with sensitive receptors that can both taste and feel. As an octopus glides over rocks or coral, it gathers a detailed map of its environment, sensing textures, chemicals, and even the faintest vibrations in the water. In the darkness of a hidden crevice, an octopus doesn't need to see to find its next meal. By reaching into cracks and holes, it can taste and identify what's inside, whether it's a crab, a clam, or something best left alone. This tactile exploration is both a hunting strategy and a way to stay safe in a world full of surprises. For an octopus, the world is a tapestry woven from texture, flavor, and movement. Every surface tells a story, every current brings new information. Their sensory experience is rich and layered, allowing them to interact with their environment in ways we can only imagine. With every arm acting as an explorer and every touch a new discovery, the octopus navigates its world with intelligence and curiosity, reminding us just how extraordinary life beneath the waves can be. Octopus intelligence is legendary, rivaling that of many vertebrates, despite their invertebrate status. They solve puzzles, escape tanks, open jars, and even dismantle plumbing to find freedom. Some use tools like coconut shells to build shelters, planning for future needs. They learn quickly, remember solutions, and can even learn by watching others. Octopuses show curiosity, playfulness, and distinct personalities, some shy, some bold. They play with objects, invent games, and interact with humans in surprising ways. Their intelligence forces us to rethink what it means to be sentient. In the octopus, we find a mind both alien and astonishingly familiar. Lacking armor or spines, the octopus survives with unmatched camouflage and cunning. Its skin is a living canvas, shifting color and pattern in an instant thanks to thousands of chromatophores. It can even change texture, going from smooth to spiky to mimic rocks or algae. This living cloak hides them from predators and prey alike. When threatened, they unleash a cloud of ink, blinding attackers and confusing their sense of smell. Some species create decoy ink blobs, buying precious seconds to escape. If all else fails, an octopus can detach an arm, which wriggles to distract predators while the octopus flees. The lost arm regrows, good as new. These defenses make the octopus a master of survival in a dangerous world. Disappear, distract, escape, no creature does it better. Octopuses are clever hunters, feasting on crabs, clams, and fish. They blend into the seafloor, ambushing prey with a sudden pounce and enveloping it in a web of arms. Their beak bites through shells, while a radula drills holes to inject paralyzing saliva. They also forage, probing crevices with tasting suckers to find hidden food. Some even hunt cooperatively with fish, flushing prey from hiding for a shared meal. Deep-sea species use glowing suckers as lures. The mimic octopus impersonates venomous creatures to get close to prey. Each species adapts its hunting style to its environment, showing remarkable versatility. The octopus's hunt is a showcase of intelligence, patience, and adaptability. The octopus's life is brilliant but brief. Most live just 1 or 2 years. Maturity brings a single, dramatic reproductive act. Males use a specialized arm to deliver sperm, then soon die, their purpose fulfilled. Females lay thousands of eggs in a hidden den, weaving them into delicate strings. She guards them tirelessly, never leaving, not even to eat. For months she cleans, protects, and oxygenates her eggs, slowly starving herself. When the eggs hatch, she releases the tiny paralarvae into the sea, her final act. The mother dies soon after, her energy spent. This one-time reproductive strategy called semelparity ensures all her resources go to the next generation. It's a poignant cycle: life, love, and sacrifice in the deep. Humans have long been fascinated and sometimes terrified by octopuses. Ancient cultures celebrated them in art, while myths cast them as monsters like the Kraken. Science has since revealed their true nature: intelligent, adaptable, and endlessly intriguing. Today, octopuses are studied for insights into cognition, regeneration, and camouflage, fueling advances in robotics and neuroscience. They're also a culinary delicacy, but their intelligence raises ethical questions about farming and consumption. Octopuses appear in art, literature, and film, symbolizing mystery and adaptability. Their legendary escapes from aquariums have made them modern icons of cleverness. Our relationship with octopuses is evolving, from fear to fascination and increasingly to respect. Octopuses are vital to ocean ecosystems, balancing food webs as both predator and prey. Their health signals the health of their environment. Studying them challenges our ideas about intelligence and inspires innovations in robotics and AI. Looking into an octopus's eye, we glimpse a consciousness both alien and real, reminding us to expand our empathy. Protecting octopuses means protecting our oceans. These 8-armed wonders are ambassadors for a fragile world. They remind us that the greatest mysteries and minds may be hiding just beneath the waves.